My name's Yuan. I'm the co-founder of Alumi, based in Auckland, New Zealand. Alumi is an innovation and technology-based manufacturing venture that focuses on delivering windows and doors to the New Zealand construction sector. During the COVID pandemic, not only us, but the whole world realized the need to develop business continuity plans. Moving to a cloud-based platform that provides easy accessibility that serves everyone well in this space is essential. At Alumi, we require a platform that prioritizes our customers' and partners' needs, with broad capabilities that cater to the management of project scope, quality, budget, schedule, communications, and procurement. System integration is another area that we focus on, which is due to the fact that we still need to support our legacy systems that remain in the business. There are a great deal of out-of-the-box business workflows that Odoo offer. Our business workflow begins by capturing business leads within the CRM module. From there, our pricing team retrieves the project brief and uses a combination of the sales module and our engineering software to generate quotes. In the past few months, we were working on system integrations between our engineering software and Odoo so that we can automate certain documents within the Odoo platform. As an example, our bill of materials document typically contains more than 100 SKUs per production order. Inventory management and inventory accounting was mission impossible, as we had more than 400 unique products but only one employee to manage them. So we developed an integration pipeline using Odoo XML RPC protocol to programmatically create the manufacturing order. And as a result, this improved the production order efficiency by more than 40%. In New Zealand, more than 90% of the companies are small to medium-sized businesses. We are grateful that Odoo has a great solution that targets this area. I see Odoo being an omni-digital tool for a lot of organizations like us who want to harness the power of a modern ERP solution but don't necessarily know where to start. Odoo makes complex business processes simple. As a business, we love simplicity. If you want results in a quick turnaround time, Odoo will not disappoint you.